Yeah, it's very slow on northbound Deerfoot to start off your Monday morning. It starts around Barlow Trail and then continues all the way up to Douglasdale Boulevard, which is up towards the top part of your screen, and then continuing towards the Iverstrong Bridge and Anderson Road, which is just at the bottom part of your screen. So we did do a full scan of this area. Haven't spotted any collisions or stalls. Just looks like that typical volume delay, but things do open up as you pass Southline Drive, which is the good news. Early bird prize deadline is midnight Friday. You could win a Canmore luxury condo plus a Ford F150 and $25,000 cash. Calgary Hospital Home Lottery.com. Up in Global One, I'm Brandi Howard.